Hi everybody. So I wanted to share with you a video brochure. If you haven't heard about it, I'm actually going to write a blog post about it because I'm really jazzed about it. So we just got our sample, and so I wanted to share sort of first impressions with everybody while you look at it. And hopefully this is something that if you haven't thought about, maybe you can learn a little bit more about it. They're really cool. It's a new service that we're going to be offering, but also something that we're going to be using as a marketing tool to potential clients, to new clients, is something just to remind them about the kind of work we do, let them know some of the cool things we've done recently, and then also this is an additional service that we can now offer. So this is cool. It's really simple. We wanted to keep it really clean. Just a cardboard cover, and then when I open it up, there is a video, and it actually will just automatically play. There's some volume controls, play and pause here. We decided to keep it really clean, and I really dig it. I think we'll probably want to make some changes around, centering things up a little bit more, maybe change some of the messaging, but I'm not going to bore you with watching me watch a video, but reach out if you want to see the video that we're putting in here. The resolution is pretty remarkable. That's what really strikes me. This is a just under a 5-inch screen, but they actually make them up to 10 inches, these things, which is amazing. So anyway, this is a video brochure. I'm gonna write a blog about it. If you have any questions about them, I consider myself an expert at this point. We've got manufacturer contacts, so you can go directly to us to make the brochures, to produce the video, and to manufacture and ship them out. So this is really cool. Hopefully this is something that you haven't seen before, because I think it's got a lot of wow factor to it. Thanks for watching.